Hey gang, Jesse over here at AC Auto Repair. You know, I was wondering the other day, and I asked myself the question today too, and so now I'm asking you, are we ever too old to just quit having fun and to quit swinging? Or to just enjoy such a beautiful day at the park? Here it is, it's 55, 60 degrees, the sun is shining, it's just a gorgeous day. I come out here to the lake occasionally and just hang out, just swing. What do you do for fun? What do you do for relaxation? What's your favorite site in Elk City? Let me know in the comments.